Hey guys, just before I start this video, I needed to clear up a small error I made in the previous video. For beta equals a half, the UB of time 2, there's a half out the front of this part. I do not include that half, but there's a half out the front. So the objective of this video is we're going to see how to march a solution forward when beta equals a half and when beta doesn't equal a half. So we've got here a layer of soil which we've subdivided into three layers, 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. And we saw in the previous video we have the time, the applied stress. I've included now the change in applied stress from time 1 to time 2 and all the pore water pressures at a certain time. So I'm just going to quickly fill in some values. We can see that at time 2 the change in stress will be Q2 minus Q1, so we might get a change in stress, and we're going to fill in values now. So we saw in the previous video these formulas, so I'm just going to explain what they mean now. So if we wanted to find a excess pore water pressure at time 2, we call that UB, UA and C, so A is obviously above and C would be below. So UA of time 1 and UC of time 1. Okay, so UB is between A and C, and they're separated by time 1 and time 2, which are previous time 1s and times 2s. The same thing applies here. If this was UB times, if I want to find this value, it would be UA of time 1 and UC of time 1. Okay, so UB, UA, UC, and time 1 and time 2 are not, they're not restricted to a particular value. They move around. Okay, just know that the A's and C's are above and below, and the previous times are above and below. And this can also be marched forward for as many